Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone on Linux when it stops working for Pulse Audio. I'm going to show you how to fix it using ALSA instead. And I'm going to show you how to fix it using ALSA instead when you've tried using ALSA and for some reason ALSA is all crackly and it's very hard to make you out and understand you. I'm going to show you an example of what I mean right now, how it's all crackly. So I'm going to show you what the ASLA volume sounds like in my screen recorder. So I'm going to go to Simple Screen Recorder, Continue, Continue, back. I'm going to change Pulse Audio to ALSA, and then click Continue, and Continue again, and then start recording. Alright, now you're going to hear me in this recording, but my voice is going to be all kinds of messed up on the computer. If you can hear me clearly right now, it's because I'm recording audio on my phone. But on the computer, it's going to sound very crackly. I'll show you the example. So I'm going to save the recording, and now I'm going to open it in folder. So it's going to be the very last video that I recorded. And I'm going to open with celluloid. Alright, now you're going to hear me in this recording, but my voice is going to be all kinds of messed up on the computer. If you can hear me clearly right now, it's because I'm recording audio on my phone. But on the computer, it's going to sound very crackly. I'll show you the example. So I'm going to save the recording. Alright, now you've heard what it sounds like when I switch it to ALSA without changing anything. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix that so that your audio sounds clear again. Now to fix it, you're going to open Terminal and type ALSA mixer, MIXER, space dash C1 and press enter. Now press FN and F5 at the same time. I'm going to make this full screen so you can see it better. Now you're going to scroll over, so you're going to use the arrow keys on your keyboard. You're going to use the right arrow key, and you're going to scroll all the way over to Internal Mic Boost, which should be the last section. And now you're going to turn it down 2 times. To turn it down, you're going to press the down arrow. Now press Escape, type Exit, EXIT, and press Enter. Now I'm going to show you guys what my screen recorder sounds like with ALSA as the volume for the microphone. Now I can't show this part on camera for obvious reasons because I'm recording audio on my cell phone and holding that in one hand and using one hand on the computer. But anyway, so I'm going to go to my Start menu. I'm going to type in Record. I'm going to open Simple Screen Recorder. And then under Record Audio, I'm going to change back end from Pulse Audio to ALSA, and then click Continue, Continue again, and click Start Recording. Alright, so as you can see, I'm currently recording a video with Simple Screen Recorder. I'm just going to minimize this. And as you can hear, I sound a lot better now.